Hello everybody, and welcome to another tutorial video. I hope you're all doing well and I hope you're having an amazing day. And in this video, what I'll be showing you guys how to do is how you can flip your videos in the Davinci Resolve 18.6 editing program. So let's get right into it. So to actually rotate your videos, you first want to go into the editing tab, and as you can see, before I actually do anything, I have two videos which I have inserted, edited them slightly, just remove the gray areas from the video as you can see here in the track, removed it, and now the back video can be seen through the front video. And yeah, just some basic editing, but it serves a good purpose, so that the front video is pretty much as a what do I call it, referral point, I guess, for the back one, where you can see in reference to, yeah, a reference point, not referral, duh. But yeah, use the front as a reference point, and what you want to do is make sure that the inspector tab in the top right is selected, and under video, under transform, you will see all these options. And what you want to do to actually modify, or rather rotate the video, is just click on the video that you want. It'll be selected, or any video, I think. Click on this one and just change it. As you can see, the front video now is going around and around. Let me just change that back to 0. If I pick the back one, do the rotation angle, as you can see now the back one is going crazy, and yeah, it goes from minus 360 degrees to plus 360. And yeah, that is pretty much it. That is how you edit your videos and how you flip your videos in Davinci 18. Once you're done, make sure you did everything you want to do. You can export it via the deliver for video, render the video, and then that's that. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in another video.